Hello everyone, welcome to a new vlog. Today we are at home, just came from school and preparing for the workout. I want to do the intra workout. Shake. Let's put some water here. I want to put some carbs because even if I'm on cut, I still need the energy intra workout because I don't take a lot of pre-workout. And now we're going to glutamine. We need glutamine to recover between sets, so let's put, I think, 1 scoop, it's okay. Okay, let's put some creatine because I don't take pre-workout and we need for some pump. I take creatine intra-workout and after workout. I think that's good. And the last one, the citrulline. I'm using that because it is also the ingredient from the pre-workout and we can build our own pre-workout without caffeine. I finished the shake, so see you from the gym.
Not to break. I see death in my doorstep. Bring my flavor. Let it change now. I don't end up a tag. It remains. Mama told me, son, get your hands clean. What I call with an angels don't intervene. Gunshots echo like lullabies here. You numb to the pain, but feel.
If I rock nothing but Louis, what's it to you? If I got a couple houses, what's it to you? If I wife her and her friend, what's it to you?
Wow, an amazing set on double rows. 50 kilos. Whew, an all-time PR. And we are here with the one and only Masha. Hi. I want to do it here too. Can I do it?
Maybe.
First time trying this and it actually feels good. Okay, apparently we have a posing partner, so let's see. Okay, I just came from the workout. I have here wraps with chicken and rice. I'm so tired after this workout. I had a very good workout. So let's finish it here for today. See you from the next one. Power!